Question 8. On the grid, draw the graph of y equals 4x minus 2 for the values of x from x equals minus 2 to x equals 3. So x equals minus 2 is here. Just going to draw a temporary line in there. And x equals 3 is here. So they only want the line y equals 4x minus 2 between these two blue lines here. Okay, so y equals 4x minus 2. I'm going to need a table of values. Now you really only need 3 to draw a straight line, but you could do more if you wanted to. I'm going to choose 0, 1 and 2. So when x is 0, we substitute it into here to find what y is. So 4 times 0 is 0, minus 2. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. And that's our first coordinate. 0, minus 2, here. Now, when x is 1, 4 times 1 is 4, minus 2 is 2. So when x is 1, y is 2. When x is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, minus 2 is 6. And that will give us a straight line. 2, 6 is here. So, you get your ruler and you draw your straight line. Oops. And do that again. Draw your straight lines through those points. Okay, and you label your line. This is y equals 4x plus minus 2. And that's it. So, just to add one more thing, the general equation for a straight line is y equals mx plus c, where c is our y-intercept. In this case it's minus 2. So does it cross the y-axis at minus 2? Yes, it does. And the gradient, which is m, in this case it's 4, shows us how steep it is. So if we take a point on the line, now 1 unit across to the right, it goes up 4 units. 1 unit across to the right, it goes up 4 units. 1 unit across, it goes up 4 units. So that's how you can just check if your line works. Okay. And that's it for question 8. So question 8 is worth 3 marks in total. Let's have a quick look at how you get those marks. The first mark is a method mark for at least 2 correct attempts to find points by substituting x into the equation. So providing you've done at least 2, you get the first method mark. We did 3. You could have done all of them if you wanted to. The second method mark is for plotting at least 2 of the points from the table, but they must be correctly plotted. So the second mark for at least 2 correctly plotted. And the third mark is for a correct line between the values of x minus 2, which is here, to x equals 3. And we have done that. So that's question 8, and that's worth 3 marks in total. And that's it.